You are going to love the 2018 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power liftgate, brake assist, 4-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, panic alarm, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.